Welcome to Building Architecture Channel, your go-to place for in-depth reviews on architecture and home interior design. Discover the latest trends, creative ideas, and expert insights into the world of architecture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our exciting content. This is a humanized landscape, a carefully shaped tapestry of meadows, stone walls, towering ash trees, and meandering streams. It is a landscape of intimacy and subtlety, a small-scale composition where every element feels curated, yet effortlessly natural. A place where everything, without exception, is bathed in the ever-present hue of yellow. In spring, the meadows come alive as yellow wildflowers push through the earth, painting the fields in a golden glow. By summer, the ripening cereals, the harvested fields, and the unmistakable Castilian heat intensify this golden presence, stretching endlessly beneath the sun. Autumn arrives with a quiet transformation, revealing itself through the yellowing leaves of the ash trees, a million tiny fragments drifting slowly to the ground in a delicate, dry farewell. Even in winter, yellow persists not through flowers or foliage, but in the glowing specks of yellow lichen clinging to the gray trunks of the ash, a whisper of warmth against the cold. Here, yellow is not just a color. It is an identity, a rhythm, an essence. Even the machines that work the land, the road signs that mark the way everything adheres to this chromatic narrative. "15 years ago, we became part of this landscape. We purchased a meadow, a quiet stretch of this golden world. For 12 years, we simply observed, immersed in the unchanging yet ever-evolving palette of yellow. And then, finally, we decided to build a house, a shelter, a threshold between the land and the sky. Not an intrusion, but a quiet frame to the landscape, a dwelling designed to complement rather than impose. A place to inhabit, but not to dominate." Its placement was guided by two views, each offering a distinct dialogue with the surroundings. To the west, an intimate perspective, rugged rocks softened by moss, tangled brambles, and the timeless presence of ancient ash trees. To the east, the horizon opens, welcoming the first light of dawn as it washes over distant yellow mountains. These opposing yet harmonious views, along with the human body itself, shape the final design of the house. Everything here is small, restrained, and humble in scale, ensuring the architecture does not disrupt the continuity of the land. From the outside, the house remains nearly imperceptible. The eye glides over it, uninterrupted, as if it has always belonged. The only interruptions in this seamless blend are a yellow gate standing guard at the entrance and a yellow chimney rising above, a beacon of warmth and shelter. And when one finally sits in the doorway, pausing to take it all in, the house itself disappears. The world continues stretching on in an unbroken expanse of yellow, timeless, and infinite.